Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our new chapter number 9, Introduction to PowerPoint. Who invent PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint, visual presentations software developed by Robert Gaskin and Dennis Austin for the American computer software company Forethought Inc. The initial name of PowerPoint was Presenter. PowerPoint was designed to facilitate visual demonstration for group representation in the business environment. Presentations are arranged as a series of individually designed slides that contain images, text, or other objects. Students can also use PowerPoint to make their class presentations. Let's learn how to use PowerPoint and how to make presentation on PowerPoint. In this chapter, you will learn PowerPoint in detail. First of all, we have to learn that how to start a PowerPoint. To start PowerPoint, you have to click on Start button. Then all programs will appear on your screen. Then find PowerPoint. If you don't have PowerPoint in your laptop or computer, you can easily install it through internet or through Microsoft Office. I'm going to find PowerPoint. Now, PowerPoint, click on PowerPoint. When you click on PowerPoint, so what are the steps? Click on Start button. The programs, all programs will appear on your screen. Then you have to click on PowerPoint. When you click on PowerPoint, this page will appear on your screen. Now you have to choose blank presentation, or you can choose one of them to make your presentation. So I will choose blank presentation. Now when I click on blank presentation, this page will appear on my screen. So this is the way to start PowerPoint. Now you can make your slides and you can make your presentation. So we have learned that how to start PowerPoint. To start PowerPoint, we have click on Start button and then on PowerPoint, and then the starting page will appear on our screen. Then we have to click, this page will appear on our screen. Then we have to click on blank presentation and this page will appear on our screen. Now we have learned that how to start a PowerPoint, and now we are going to learn the parts of PowerPoint. There are 13 parts of PowerPoint, which is also described in your book, page number 109. And today we are going to discuss first 4 parts. So let's start. These are first 4 parts of PowerPoint. So let's discuss. The first part is Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar contains the buttons for the most commonly used commands such as save, undo, and redo. You can see with the help of arrow, these are the buttons which Quick Access Bar contain, and these are the buttons of save, undo, redo command. The second part is Title Bar. Title bar contains the title of the presentation or the name of the presentation, and this bar also contains 3 buttons, and these buttons are close, minimize, maximize, and restore down. So title bar contains the title of the presentation and 3 buttons, and these buttons are for close the presentation, minimize the presentation, and maximize the presentation, and restore down the presentation. Now the third part is ribbon bar. Ribbon bar contains multiple tabs. It contains multiple tabs. The tabs contain the command divided into groups. These are the groups, and the ribbon bar is divided into the groups: clipboard, slide, font, paragraph, drawing, editing. Now the fourth part is dialog box launcher. Dialog box launcher is one of the group of the ribbon bar, and this is the dialog box launcher font group. So today we have learned that how to start a presentation, how to start a PowerPoint, and first four part of PowerPoint, and rest of the part we will discuss in our next class, inshallah. The homework is you have to do the question number 1 of descriptive type question, which is how you will start PowerPoint, and question number 2 is describe first four parts of PowerPoint, which we have learned in this video in your notebook, and these parts are also described in your book, page number 109. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah and Allah Hafiz.